welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a makeup look, which is this one. It's created from a Instagram filter that I use a lot, where you look kind of tan, like you've been in the sun all day. I hope you guys like it, and if you would like to achieve this look, keep on watching. Hi beauty, so in this section I am adding a little bit of concealer to my chin, my cheeks, and my forehead. I'm not going to be using any foundation, just a little bit of concealer for this look. So in this section I am using my eyebrow pencil, which the brands that I'm using I will list down below on the description box. But here I'm trying to go for a more simple, more settled look in my eyebrow, not too dark, something that looks very fresh and not too dramatic. I will be correcting a little bit of my eyebrows since I am getting out of my line, like always. Just trying to make it more perfect, a little bit more of shape, but it's still a little bit of a messy eyebrow look. Here's where I will be giving a little bit of more messier look to my eyebrow, but at the same time just kind of brushing all my little hairs all to one side. Now I'm going to add a little bit of clear product to my eyebrows just to give them that end finish look. So this is where the fun begins. You're going to add a little bit of blush, the pinkish, most reddish one that you have in your drawer. Just apply to your cheeks, your nose, and your chin as much as you want. I like to have it looking very, very pink, very tan. Towards the end you will start adding a little bit of bronzer. I am using a few different ones just to give it that look where you can go out and people are like, wow, you look like you went tanning, or that you've been in the sun all day. Now you're gonna add a little bit of bronzer to your forehead just to give it that effect of blending, making it all look a little bit like you went tanning. So you're gonna shade in under your cheeks, in your nose, your chin, and your forehead. Then with some clear powder, you're gonna go ahead and just set all of that in and keep on adding more and more. I am going to be using a little splash of color to my eye since we are doing a light makeup with this look. I did use a eyeshadow palette to create this eyeliner. I did use a little bit of setting spray to get the right consistency of the eyeshadow. You are going to want to correct the corner of your eyeshadow just to give it that little cat eye look. I'm still learning, but I think I've got it. And you are going to want to repeat the same steps on the other eye. Same cat eye look. Now to give my eyelashes that fluffy look, to make this look pop out. Now to the bottom of my eyes, I will give them the same effect, color, as my eyeshadow eyeliner, just so my eyes kind of pop out a little. Now to give that tan glowing look, we're going to add a bit of highlight to your cheeks just to get this look a little bit more of a pop, a little bit more of a bronzer look, a little bit more of a I've been in the sun all day and I am looking fabulous. Now you're going to want to add whatever lipstick or lip gloss that you want to wear with this look. And now the finishing touch, adding that setting spray and making this look just set all in there. Well beauties, this was the end look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way you are notified every time I make a new video.